Hey Pulkit, what happened? Why are you so sad?
Recently, my uncle got detected with cancer.
Oh, so sad. But don't you worry, brother. Nowadays, certain cancers are curable if they are detected at an early stage. But the real challenge is to have a prior awareness about this disease.
Awareness?
Yes, Pulkit, awareness.
But what makes this disease very dangerous?
Because the studies have shown that cancer is the second leading cause of death in India.
Bhanu, please tell me more on this. I want to know what is cancer.
Sure, brother. Cancer is the group of more than 100 diseases in which cells grow out of control. It is the uncontrolled growth of abnormal cells anywhere in a body. And do you know, to spread awareness about cancer, every year 7th November is observed as the National Cancer Awareness Day.
But Bhanu, what makes cancer cells different from normal cells?
Actually, normal cells have a definite lifespan, but cancer cells don't. They grow and divide at a very high speed, which results in the formation of tumors.
But Bhanu, I don't think all tumors are cancerous.
Yes, you are right, Pulkit. The cancerous tumors are called malignant and the normal tumors are called benign.
And what are the symptoms of cancer which a person can easily identify?
Well, the common symptoms are lump in any part of the body, sudden weight changes, changes in bowel habits, persistent cough or trouble in breathing, and irregular menstrual flow in females.
But friend, how can we protect ourselves from cancer?
Although there is no certain way to prevent cancer, but the doctors have found several ways to reduce your cancer risk, such as quit smoking, tobacco, and too much alcohol, avoid eating junk food, and eat fruits rich in antioxidants like strawberries, grapes, apricots, etc. Do regular exercise. Go for regular body checkups and ask your doctor about immunizations.
Thank you, brother, for establishing the importance of symptoms, awareness, and precautions of cancer. But I would still like to know the treatment aspects of this fatal disease.
Sure, Pulkit. The cancer treatment includes chemotherapy, radiation therapy, stem cell transplantation, surgeries, medicines, etc. But we should not wait for the storm to hit us. That means prevention is better than cure.
Right, brother. But do you know anyone who has recovered from cancer?
Yes, there are many people who recovered from cancer, but some well-known celebrities are Sonali Bendre, Anurag Basu, Indian cricketer Yuvraj Singh, Lisa Ray, and many more. The government has also taken major steps like setting up free cancer treatment hospitals like Tata Memorial Hospitals in Mumbai and Kolkata, Cancer Care Foundation in Mumbai, Regional Cancer Center in Thiruvananthapuram, and we also have a Cancer Institute in Gwalior.
Thank you, Bhanu. Today I learned that with a little willpower and a little awareness, we can defeat cancer. And I hope that my uncle will also recover from cancer.
The pleasure is all mine, and I wish his speedy recovery.
Thank you. That's so sweet of you.